Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to film a video with sleek makeup. I picked up a couple palettes, a lot of palettes. I think everything I picked up were palettes, and then some lip products, and I just wanted to try them out. I don't usually use so much sleek makeup, and I feel like a lot of people don't either. I don't see them in very many videos, so I figured this could be a helpful video for you guys that are wondering about sleek makeup. So I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Today's post notification shout out goes to Joy Smith. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. If you take the time to read her message, pretty much what she's saying is that she loves my honesty and that I don't try to please companies or celebrities, and I really appreciate that because I know that I get a lot of backlash for stating my unpopular opinion, and I love that you appreciate it. So thank you so much, and thanks for being such a good subscriber. If you want to be in the next shout out, all you have to do is turn on the post notifications and just comment when you're done. Let's get into the video. So I got, by the way, these were sent to me by Sleek. No, it's not sponsored. So I have two eyeshadow palettes. I have like a more neutral palette, and then like a purple tone. This one's Vintage Romance, and this one's When the Sun Goes Down. And then I also have their sleek highlighter palette in Solstice, and then I have their cream contour kit in medium, and then I also have this, which I opened and I messed up. Look at this. I already messed it up. But this is called their Face Form palette, and it's supposed to be a contour powder, like a highlighter, and a blush. So I figured, why not try all these products out and see what we think of them. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna use one eyeshadow palette today because, I don't know, I feel like using two is not realistic. So which one should I try? I guess I'm gonna try this one just because I don't have very many purple toned palettes, so why not? Let's try this one. So again, like I said, this is the Vintage Romance palette, and let me open the packaging. Tweezers are the best at opening packaging, especially if you have nails. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a really nice mirror and a little sponge applicator. So there are no shade names, so I'm just gonna point at them. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Oh, hey. I'm gonna go into this matte shade right here. It's just like a light brown shade. It's not that warm, it's pretty neutral. And by the way, I already have concealer on my eyelids, and I already set it with powder. This does have a lot of kickback. So far it's all right. It is like a lighter shade, but I definitely had to build it up for it to like be seen. Oh my god, what? Oh my god. It includes a matte color. Oh, it only has one matte color? This one has more matte shades than this one. I kind of wish I would have. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which it has some shimmers, but it's not as shimmery, so maybe we can use this to, like, I don't know, try to darken it up. By the way, I got my lashes done today, and you're not supposed to get them wet for 48 hours, and I'm literally packing on makeup on it. The lash lady was like, why is there so much glitter on your eyelashes? I was like, I don't know, that's so random. Like, how did I get glitter on there? It is like pigmented, but it's not that vibrant. I really hope that the shimmers are nice, because then it would just be like an all shimmer palette, and if these shimmers are nice, then, you know, I wouldn't be that mad about it. But so as you guys can see, the only like really foiled ones are like maybe like these two. And I feel bad talking bad about products, but you guys know, like, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. I get that this is affordable, but there is so much good that's affordable, so like I'm only gonna pay for the best. You know, and I don't want you guys not to pay for the best, and that is the realty right there. Actually, coffee. I needed the coffee. I'm so tired right now. I'm filming 4 videos, and then today and tomorrow. 4 videos in 2 days. But I have to, because I'm going out of town, and I want to have videos for you guys. I'm going to be boring and go in with this shade right here, and I am going to use the little sponge applicator because these are actually really good for shimmers. Okay, I have some setting spray from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna get it wet and see if I can get more pigment. Oh my god, I got setting spray on my coffee. Okay, so it's definitely a little bit more pigmented when it's wet, but am I impressed with it? No. I'm not gonna open the other one because I'm just gonna save it for you guys and maybe just put in a giveaway so maybe you guys can try it out yourself. And I have a feeling that palette's gonna be a lot better because it has more mattes. So maybe one of you guys can try it and then, you know, kind of decide for yourself. I think I'm about to ruin this whole look by going in with this like really dark green. And it's really hard to do it with just like shimmery shades. Oh no. I'm not very impressed with the eyeshadow palette. Just like I said, mainly because I didn't understand it. I think they should have like more shimmers. I mean, more mattes, no more shimmers, please. I think that if you did have like a full shimmer palette like this, I think that they should call it a shimmer palette. I have a feeling that this other palette would have been better, but I don't want to be wasteful, so I'm gonna let one of you guys have it. Not in this video because I don't want to just give away one palette, so I'm gonna keep this for the next giveaway so you guys get like a bigger giveaway. I'm gonna put some foundation and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be putting on the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. By the way, while I'm out of town this weekend, I'm gonna film a video that you guys have been requesting like forever, and I'm really excited to film it. So I wonder if anyone can guess it. So comment down below and let me know what video you think I am filming. I do have the Sleek Makeup Avi Cream Contour Kit, and I have it in the shade Medium. Okay, so that's actually looks like a really good shade. So the mirror doesn't go all the way back, and this is the product. I think this is actually like a really nice color selection for medium skin tones. So I'm just gonna go into this banana shade. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be like super thick. It actually feels really nice. I have no idea if this is even gonna like cover my under eyes, but it's okay if it doesn't. The reason why I'm not putting concealer under is because I just want to see how it works on its own. And I'm also going to put some right... Oh my god, I got it on my hoop. I'm going to go in with my Eco Tools sponge. I know you guys have never seen me use this. I've been using this off camera, just testing it out. So this is what I'm going in with. Sorry, it's a little dirty from the foundation, but let's just go ahead and blend this in. So far I do like it. It actually blended out really nice, and it's not dry. It's actually really creamy, but I definitely think that you do need to add some concealer. This is definitely just like a highlighting thing. So let me put on some concealer, but like I said, it's definitely for just highlighting, but it blended out really nice. It wasn't cakey and it was kind of thin, but it didn't like blend out into nothing. That's why I liked it. I'm going to be using this middle shade right here. It seems like the best one to contour with. All the other ones are really, really warm. A little trick when you're cream contouring, put it a little bit higher than your cheekbone because you are going to blend it out and it's going to spread out. And you don't want to put it too low because then you're going to make your cheekbone look a little bit lower. This is the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. I love this for, like I said, just like blending out contour. It's already blended. Wow, that blended really fast. Whoa, is this blending out really fast? I just blended that in like 30 seconds. So this is definitely like a very thin kind of consistency cream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna just, let's see. I'm just gonna take this big ass brush and I'm just gonna go into like a warmer shade. Like this one, and I'm gonna try to cream bronze a little bit since we're already here. Oh, that's really pretty. So, so far I do like it. This is the kind, look how nasty it looks. This is the kind of contour kit that a person that likes thin, very blendable creams is for. I think that this is not gonna be like your very pigmented, do crazy contouring kind of palette. This is for the more easygoing people that just want to add like a little bit of shade to define, or just like an extra bronze or an extra highlight. And I really do like it. I think that this is just a very easy palette to work with, especially if you're a beginner and you wanna learn how to do like contouring with cream. Let me set my under eyes real quick and I will be right back. Okay, and now that we are set in our highlighted areas, I'm gonna go in with the Face Form palette, and I have the shade Medium, and this offers 3 different powders. Like I said, it has a contour color, and it also has like a highlighter and a blush. This blush is very shimmery and it's very warm. I'm gonna set the contour with this powder. I don't wanna overdo it since we already have cream contour. Oh wow. Okay, this is really pigmented. Especially if you're setting cream contour, you really need to be careful and not be as stupid as me. But yeah, that's really pigmented and it's actually looking really nice. I'm gonna go really light-handed because look at this. Oh my god, that's very pigmented. It's actually really pretty, but if you don't like a shimmery blush, you're not gonna like this. I don't know if they offer trios without shimmery blushes. I actually don't mind. It's really pretty though. And I do like the shade. If you have my skin tone and you like a dark, warm bronzer, I mean blush that kind of looks like a bronzer, this is really nice. I want to finish the lower lash line real quick. I'm just gonna quickly go in with, I don't know, probably just with like this purple shade. Not this one right here. And I'm gonna put on some bottom mascara. If you guys don't know, I do have eyelash extensions, so I'm just gonna put mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna mix like these 2 shades right here and put them right here. Oh, that's actually really pigmented. So for highlighter, I do have 2 highlights, so I'm just gonna do one on each cheek because I just wanna show you guys what they both look like. So I'm gonna go into this highlight first. Like always, Wet n Wild highlight brush. Okay. Oh crap, so it's definitely buildable because the first time I put it on, it wasn't all that shimmery. This is actually really pretty. I think this is a really good highlight to come with this palette because as you guys saw at first, it wasn't that blinding, but it was still a pretty highlight. And then when you build it, it definitely gets really, really blinding. I really like that. And for the other side, I'm gonna go in with the Solstice palette. Wait, I have this palette, so I'm not gonna open it. Should we do a collection tour right now? This is my highlighter drawer. This palette is so pigmented. If you like super frosty, blinding highlights, this is the one for you. These are the highlights right here. So as you guys can see, it comes with 3 powder highlights, and then this one right here, this lilac one, is a cream. So my favorite to use is like the rose gold shade, which we're gonna be using today mainly because it kind of matches the other one as well. Like one swipe. What? Like what? This is like in your face. It needs to be blended. You're not shy. Like you can't be a shy person and wear this highlight. Like you can't, because you will attract attention. And then I also forgot to tell you guys, I do have 2 lip products. I have their lipstick, which is called their Lip Star Semi-Matte Lipstick in the shade Workaholic, which is like a really pretty red. And then I also have their Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and I have it in Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, with little dashes. So I'm gonna go in with this shade just because it'll match more. And of course, everything that I'm using will be listed down below. Little doe foot applicator. The applicator is actually like kind of rough. Like I can hear it, like, but the product itself is actually really thin and it's not patchy at all, and it's pigmented. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes to dry, and then I can tell you guys my thoughts. Okay, so the liquid lipstick, it's actually really impressing me. It hasn't dried down to the point, okay, smile lines come through. It hasn't dried down, like, it is matte, and but it's not like crusty and like super dry. It's like a really comfortable liquid lipstick, and it was really thin and pigmented. I think I'm gonna go try on some more shades. I think my favorite products were definitely, like I said, the highlighter palette I love. This is really nice. All of these 3 powders were great. Also, like I said, the cream contour kit I think this is really good for beginners or for people that just don't want something so heavy. I think the only thing that just didn't impress me were the eyeshadow palette. It's okay, like as you guys can see, it's pigmented, but I just don't think this exact one, the vintage romance one, is very user-friendly just because there's only one matte. I think that is it. So other than looking like an 80s person, you know, the makeup look doesn't look too bad. I'm definitely curious to see like what you guys think of sleek makeup. Like, have you ever tried it? If you do, like what products do you love? Let me know. And then also the products that I loved, let me know if you love them too, or the products that I didn't really like, let me know. I'm always curious. Like I said, I always like hearing y'all's opinions because I do really consider them when I buy makeup. So thank you for everyone that leaves me their makeup opinions. So you guys, we're at the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed me trying out sleek makeup. I really love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always supporting me. You guys are the bestest of the best. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Mwah. I apologize. I don't know, I was really feeling this like 80s makeup, and I think I went too far, so I'm sorry.